What's up, legends? Erica here, and today I'm standing in front of the one fridge that finally lets you live the ultimate backyard boss life. Picture this, you're grilling steaks, friends are over, music is pumping, and every time someone yells, "Who wants a cold one?" you just reach into a weatherproof frost-cold 15-inch outdoor fridge stocked with 90 cans, slam the auto-closing door, and you're the hero. No trips inside, no warm beers, no drama. That's the NewAir 15-inch outdoor beverage refrigerator turning patios into parties. If you're tired of coolers that melt or indoor runs that kill the vibe, stick around because this stainless beast might be the last outdoor fridge you ever need. Link in the description to grab it and keep the channel rolling at zero cost to you. Let's chill. First, the specs that make the NewAir 15-inch outdoor fridge an absolute unit. This is a legit weatherproof, rated for outdoors fridge, IPX4 splash-proof, UV-resistant stainless steel, built to handle rain, heat, humidity, and even light snow. It's 15 inches wide, 33.5 tall, 22 deep, weighs 75 pounds for rock-solid stability, and fits perfectly under counters or stands alone on the deck. Holds up to 90 standard cans or 24 wine bottles on 5 removable chrome racks, with a digital thermostat from 32 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, ice-cold beer at 34, or crisp white wine at 45, you pick. The compressor cools fast and quiet, under 40 decibels, with a reversible double-paned glass door, blue LED interior light that looks premium at night, and an auto-closing hinge so it never stays open. Security lock with 2 keys keeps the good stuff safe, and the front vent design means built-in or freestanding, no side clearance needed. I've had mine outside for 4 months. Rainstorms, 95-degree heat, 0 issues. Beers stay ice cold, door seals tight, no rust, no fogging. Setup took 15 minutes. Plug into a standard 120-volt outlet, level the feet, load the cans, done. Pros and cons, real talk. Pros, true outdoor rated, never worry about weather again. 90 can capacity is party ready. Compressor chills faster and colder than thermoelectric junk. Auto close door, lock, and LED look pro. Front vent fits anywhere. Quiet enough for conversation, 5-year compressor warranty is clutch. Around $550 for a real outdoor fridge is a steal compared to $800 plus for bigger brands. Cons, $550 isn't cheap, though sales drop it to $450. It's heavy at 75 pounds. Grab a buddy to move it. No wheels, so pick your spot carefully. Blue LED can't be turned off independently, and the lock is basic, not Fort Knox. Tiny gripes for what you get. Do I recommend the NewAir 15-inch outdoor beverage fridge? 100% yes. If you grill, chill by the pool, host on the patio, or just hate warm drinks, this is the move. It saves trips, saves space, and turns any backyard into a legit outdoor bar. Click the link in the description right now and grab it. Quick call to action, if this makes you thirsty for cold ones outside, smash subscribe and the bell so you never miss the next backyard win. Clicking that affiliate link keeps the brews flowing and costs you nothing. One last reminder, use the link below for the NewAir 15-inch outdoor beverage refrigerator at the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, crew. If this upgraded your patio game, drop a like, share with your grill master buddy, or subscribe for more. Stay cold, stay winning!